Before I uploaded my first ever YouTube video here, I made one huge mistake, which I wish I never tried it before. And that mistake was going ahead to tell people about my YouTube channel. Like, I literally went to TikTok because before now, I used to join TikTok box live game. And I told my friends, hello, I'm about to start up a YouTube channel. Do well to come down to support me. Guys, guess what? These people discouraged me, laughed at me, mocked me. I can remember the very first time I posted, please can you guys get me to 20 subscribers? I cannot laugh. I cannot laugh. Like, the insult was just too much. The funniest part was that my younger sister told me that because of the fact that I'm starting up a YouTube channel, she was literally going to stop coming on YouTube because she doesn't want me to come and embarrass her. God, it's crazy. So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Get ready with me as I tell you why you should never tell people about your YouTube channel. Like, I'm going to be literally sharing my experience and how I was able to overcome it. So when I finally decided to start up my YouTube channel, because if you've been following me for a while now, like if you've been watching me for a while now, you will realize that, or you find out that it was actually my husband that pushed me to start up a YouTube channel. So after he gave me the reasons why I need to start up a YouTube channel, that I was literally wasting my time on TikTok, like he managed to convince me to start up a YouTube channel. And at the end of the day, I loved the idea and I decided, sorry guys, I love the idea and I decided to give it a try, which is starting up my channel. And here the gist begin. Here the gist began. So for the fact that I already had a little audience on TikTok, that is I used to do this box game. If you are on TikTok, you should know what I'm talking about. That's joining box game, and we beg people to gift you, because yes, it's literally begging. Yeah, indirectly. You beg people to gift you and they will gift you, they'll support you. So I had some groups of, not really friends, but just TikTok friends. We don't even know ourselves in real life. Yeah, that we used to go the live together. So I just told them, hi, I'm about to start up a YouTube channel. Like, I was so happy. That is expecting the positive vibe now. Oh really? Wow, we're going to come and support you. Really, I said it, like the bashing immediately was too much. I was like, does that mean that starting up a YouTube channel is a bad thing? They were like, no, it's not bad. Though I'm not saying that those people are actually bad or they hate me. No. This is almost the idea that everyone have, because whether you like it or not, YouTube is one of the hardest social media platform to actually play with. Like, it's very hard to get audience here. It hard though. It hard. I believe both of us, like you watching me and me making this video, we are all passing through it. So let's not be like somebody is deceiving somebody. So I didn't really blame them for behaving that way, but the discouragement was too much. Like, they told me that they were not going to come and watch me, that in fact I want to go and like embarrass myself there. So I didn't really take it to heart. I just laughed over it. But God knows deep down that night, oh my God, I was really, in fact, I even told my husband, said that I'm not doing. He was like, what happened? I said, I told my friends about it, and they all laughed at me. So he was like, why should you even tell them? Just do your thing. Don't worry. They're laughing at you now. Later, maybe someday, they might actually see sense in what you're doing. So my husband Sha was the only person that still kept on that energy. And that mistake I did was going to my younger sister's DM. I really wish my phone did not flash. I would have showed you the voice note this girl sent me. I thought this babe wanted to send me a voice note of encouragement. I never knew she actually, like, somehow like a thread, because me and my younger sister, we don't really do this elder sister something like, you must respect. No. When I'm wrong, she has the right to correct me. That's the way I shall want it. Though even though that the age gap is not all that much, but she literally respects me. But that day she told me, for the fact that you're starting up a YouTube channel, I'm not going there again. Who did you want to come and embarrass? You that used to stammer, but how did you want to do it? Like, it was crazy. That girl literally killed my spirit that night. Like, my spirit was gone. It was like, You know where your blood is talking to you. Your friends might actually insult you and it might not really get to your skin. But once your blood enter, so that was the very first and last time I ever told her about my YouTube channel. So she was surprised when I started posting and she was still laughing. So the second time that I went to meet her again was me telling her to tell her friends to just shall go and subscribe. She still bashed me again, and after that second time, I never. But when I posted my first ever YouTube revenue, guess who sent me account details now to wire her money to make her hair and to maybe buy too because she's learning how to sew, clothes. And she'll be coming here anytime soon. So I'm going to introduce her to you guys. But that is by the way. So now, what is my point actually? These people don't hate you, yes, they love you, but they just feel that they are not really seeing the future. Yeah, because had it been I listened to them back then, I listened to those my circle, those my TikTok friend circle that were always going on boss game, gift me, tap tap, I no tap and hair. Had it been I listened to them or had it been I listened to my sister, I wouldn't be here today. I have successfully grown this channel to over, I think it's currently on 27,000 subscribers in less than 7 months. And here we are on this main channel. I am also growing it. Now, what did I do different? I've made the mistake already by going ahead to tell them my dream of what I wanted to do here. That was the first mistake that I ever made. But after they told me all those things, I just took it as a challenge because I had already created the account before coming up to them. Had it been I had not yet created the account, maybe I wouldn't have really get that urge or like get that what is it called? Get that spirit or motivation to keep going. But after my husband just told me to let it go and do my thing, I said to myself that okay, I did it more like a bet. I said that I was going to still do this thing, and last they'll be the one coming to tell me how far, like, oh my god, you did it. Now, and that experience was one time that I posted on my TikTok that they should please get me to 1,000 subscribers. Two people actually sent me a DM. They were like, babe, why do you want to leave TikTok? TikTok is fun here now. You're doing so well. Even one guy like that used to gift us. He said, if you go to YouTube, we'll no longer gift you. I didn't reply him, but it was after. So at some point, I said to myself, what am I even doing on this TikTok? What am I even doing? Like most of the time we beg to join all this Big Brother TikTok live. When you join there, you will see different people from different countries. They want to gift you and the rest. I decided to stop doing all those things. Do you guys know that for 1 month, Mr. Chamaka did not go to TikTok? I got some text on my WhatsApp. Babe, you're missing. I hit 100 coin. I be 100,000 coin. I just bought iPhone 7 from I withdrawed. Somebody help me to do this. Almost, it was too much. Like for literally 1 month, I didn't open my TikTok app. I even uninstalled it from my phone. And thanks to my husband, as I was doing it, he was the one backing me up. That man, God bless that man for me in Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah, so I just used that 1 month and I put attention to my YouTube. That was when I stopped posting short. Yeah, because if you be following me before now, that my main channel, I literally started from posting short because I didn't really know my left and right here. I was just doing anything that I was doing on TikTok because on my TikTok page I post mostly all this to drop on trending challenge. I don't really have a niche. If they're dancing today, I'm dancing. If they're crying, I'm crying. If they're acting movie, I am also acting with them. That's my life on TikTok. Nothing serious. I was just zuzu in there. Zuzu, yeah. That is basically what I was doing there. But that is by the way. So after giving my YouTube channel a very very big concentration, me myself gone, I saw the changes. And when I posted my that is when I posted 7,000 subscribers, was it 7 or 6? I can't really remember. I posted it on TikTok and those my friends, they started saying, how did you do it now? And did you go and tell some people on your DM on TikTok here, guys? From my TikTok, people that subscribed to me after the whole begging and begging were just only 4 people. I can even count. That is, who knows, maybe they went to unsubscribe back, because what I was doing here is none of their business. Especially when I started teaching God, that is doing tutorial. I faced shege. These people dealt with me like, oh my God. But thank God that I didn't let it get into me. I know what the future holds for me, and I know that my channel will be big, because one thing about me is that I am very, very optimistic. Abi, is that the right English? Like, when I mean something, when I put concentration on that thing, I must surely get reward. No matter what it is, I must surely get reward from it. That's one spirit that I have, and that was why I was able to excel well. That is within a short time frame. Yeah, it wasn't all that easy, getting the watch hours and all. I still went back to them to please help me to loop my playlist so that my watch hour can increase. They still bashed me. So all the time that I went to them, it was just like pouring water on a rock, or be on a stone. They all bashed me. So I just said, why am I even wasting my time? So I decided to take other measure to get my watch hour, which is doing my normal live streaming. I did silent live stream. I did a lot of things. Even while in the market, I was doing live stream, because at that period I was going to shop before I stopped going to shop, and that was around November last year that I gave my channel full concentration. And as God may have it, December 15th, my baby's birthday, my son's birthday, I got monetized. Somebody say power. Something poor. Jesus is working. I got monetized, and on the 18th, I got my first ever YouTube revenue, and that was around $27 or $30. I posted it, to trust me now. I posted it on my WhatsApp, and guess who first of all DM me? My sister. She was like, you got monetized. I saw it too. Is that how easy it was? I thought it was hard though. No, there's no how I was going to be angry with her for long now. Like, she didn't really do anything bad. She just aired her opinion, and had it been I listened to that opinion, I wouldn't be here today. You people will not even know Princess Tranwaka Tutor Zone at all. But thank God that I didn't listen to her, and I didn't listen to those friends on TikTok. I just did what is in my mind and what is in my heart, and here I am today, monetized. And it's been okay. I got monetized December, January, February, March, April, May. This is my 5th month of being monetized here on YouTube, and I've been paid 4 times. And in total, in all, if I'm not mistaken, let me just say a total rough estimate, I've made over 3.5 million, yes, in naira as my revenue so far. 3.5. Which box game did I want to join in that TikTok? Like, which box game did I want to join for how many months for me to get this kind of amount? So this is me telling you that if you want to start up a YouTube channel, don't do that. Even your parents, don't tell them. They will never see the dream or the vision you have. Don't tell them. And when you tell them, they discourage you. Don't ever see them as bad people. No, they're simply being honest, because growing here is not easy. But you are the one that know what you want. You are the one that know where you're going to. So despite or no matter how they discourage you, don't just listen to them. Keep on going, keep on pushing, and at the end of the day, you'll be the one smiling. Like, you literally be the one smiling, because growing here is so sweet. YouTube is actually a beautiful place. YouTube has transformed my life in a way that I can never ever imagine it to. So guys, normal YouTube is hard, yes, but it's worth the hardness, or how do I even put it? Because once you get monetized here and you start earning, you will not really reason all the stress that you've put in. So that is why you just need to try your best to keep going. Okay, yeah, no matter how it might look, because sometimes the whatever will not just move. I experienced it. It took me almost 6 months to monetize my main channel. Yeah, and this is about my fourth month here, or let's just say my 2 months of being consistent here, and I've not even gotten up to 2,000 watch hour. Yeah. So this is the honest me. So we are all in this together. Sometimes it takes some people in less than 30 days, they don't monetize, they start making dollars here, ego now bata. But for some of us, it took us time. Some people will just see that my big channel and be like, maybe this girl just got all those subscribers overnight, or she was just lucky enough and watch our hit her. My brothers and sister, I grew from scratch. Like there were times that I literally cried. Like I started wishing that had it been I know, I would have listened to those people. Had it been I know, I shouldn't have started this, because YouTube is going to drain your emotions. Like at some point you will even cry. You gonna cry. Oh, let me not scare you. It's actually sweet. It's beautiful. You grow here, okay? So guys, I think we're done, and I am looking penguin. I'm looking takeaway. Somebody should come and take me out in this Pitakwa city. So I'm about to go and check on our house as usual. If you don't know, I just recently moved down to Port Harcourt City, and it's been nice here. Like the weather is beautiful. I think I'm glowing. Apart from the fact that my face is actually bad, this camera is hiding my real look. Oh. My face is so bad because I mistakenly used my husband's cream. The cream that he had actually abandoned. I thought that I have hard skin. You know, my husband is fair, me I'm dark. We are chocolate and milk. Chocolate and milk, yeah. I mean chocolate and butter, yeah, because he's fair, light skin. Okay, marama. Yeah, but that is by the way. So I used the cream, and the cream showed me shege damage. He actually rubbed the cream for 1 week and he abandoned it. So as he traveled now, I decided to try it on as Isiaki where I be, and the cream is, if I open my back, you guys will run. It's like when lion scratch you, like my skin is on fire. So I might also be going out now to buy cream. If it warrants me vlogging it, I will as well vlog it. Yeah. So guys, if you watch to this extent, you know, I'm fond of saying if you watch to this extent, I know what I'm doing. I'm jotting you guys' name. I'm gonna be giving those people that is following me up genuinely a free channel review. That is the secret. So if you watch to this extent and you hear the beautiful secret, drop it in the comment section. Just drop it in the comment section. Hide it, yeah, because you all are gonna be getting free channel review from my main channel. To get my channel review, one-on-one channel review, it costs about $70, but I'll be doing it for free on this channel. That's for the people that watch my video from the beginning to the end. So don't go and leak our secret though, because if you leak it, if I catch you, just drop Princess Amaka, I watched to this extent though, and I will still jot your name down. So I'm about leaving now, and let me try this eyeglass on again. It's giving what it should give now. Poor, say fine girl, say fine girl. They're not rich. Them not rich. Alright guys, thank you for staying to this time. I love you as usual, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Somebody say Pitakwa, baby. Pitakwa, baby. Don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn the hard way.